Bang, boom, boom. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know it's one Money Ras. One way it's spelled. That's Money Ras TV. No space. Yeah, guys. See that movie here? One year brand new. Straight out of Portland. The original bad boy them. You see me? Yeah, man. Brand new Jamaican movie. You see me? Yeah, man. And that one your name? Like your brother, like your son. You see me? Want to no kick back, grab or not grab, and check out that one. You see if you're up on the bus, see if you're in your car, yeah man, more you check it out. You're not gonna get too far, man. Like, share, subscribe. You understand? Continue support the channel, guys. Yeah, man. Big it up. You're not gonna stay too long. What is under my nose? I'm out.
It's all about M-O-M-E-Y. Money. Listen. Don't call me phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call me phone and tell me about my body. A tile is all about the money. Don't call me phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call me phone and tell me about my body. A tile is all about the money. Time is money and money is time. So oh some boy I waste them time. Sit down pan corner, scream cream lime. Money man a program every year, every time.
If you more until I'm done, you don't know what you in real life. You have some brother but real more than cat now.
Oh, who tell you? You know that?
Yeah, brother, can get some way to understand. You see Money Ras and Blacks?
Yeah.
I'm a real brother them, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, the way the man is real. Me have to wonder how me fi deal with them man ya. Cause me no want make a mistake or talk to them and miss them, you know.
You see?
Cause I told the man they real brother.
You understand? You see money now, money is a real youth. Real. From top to bottom. So you check it out. The level way in the part.
Yo.
And yes, sir. No normal. Bruh.
You don't know, say me go say boom. And I tell him say, yo, Money Ras, you know, say me have some problem. And me not have enough money to start, yo. And him I say, yo, how much money it cost, brother? Cause me willing to help, you know. And me I say, yo, Money Ras, you know, say 100,000. And the dad say, yo, you see, me I go run taxi at night time. And me I go have a stall out same way I hustle. And me I go make sure, say,
Just like.
get that money there, give it, brother, cause one, get you out of that problem there, you know, that.
Real.
That's me I feel looking at myself and me I feel say, Jano, but some of my family they not real to me.
You understand what I want?
Cause if me run to them with all this a problem right now, they laugh off of me and run me, you know.
Seriously?
I'm only a wild stranger, but I'm a brother.
Oh, my
From
God.
another mother. You see what I go?
That's how you go, you. That's how you go on.
That's why them saying, brother, and I will help, you know. I will help you back.
Yeah, but at the same time, you know, life goes around in a circle, you know, you. So you see, you have to do good for you. So things say.
Me never know say Money Ras and Blacks could lie and so when me don't know from now when me just come see them in the street and we just go to boom and we have a band and we just know say yo we connect and we if we are do the road together, if we are spend money we are gym together, if we are drive out together, if money we make it together. Yo,
real.
them man they are really better than me. Yo, we can't explain how much me love them out there, you know.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm gonna go up and work and forward. I soon forward, you know, brother. So just go and keep the link till I forward. You see what I'm talking about?
Making it. Yeah.
Happy birthday, my boy. Yeah, man, where I got beach, yeah? Sunshine Beach. Yeah, go do the thing. Your birthday, so I think you get your request. I'll be the champion. Can't miss. First, you know?
Can't beat them, join them. What a pack of lies. Betray my inner self, me I'd rather die. Can't tell me close my eyes, then shout out surprise with your hands in the cookie jar. Eating all the pies. I've been over the mountain, over the falls. Similar to David in the cave behind school. Now I'm looking at my artwork, decorating walls.
My reach. Yeah? Alright, let's go. Close the door now, you know, close the door.
The patterns in my palm got me feeling like David as he wrote another psalm. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Oh, I know Jaja won't let me down. No, when I walk in the footsteps, even when the challenges are blaze like sun. When life's stressed, still I know I can't vex. Little bit of some, still better than none. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Oh, I know Jaja won't let me down. No, when I walk in the footsteps, even when the challenges are blaze like sun. When life's stressed, still I know I can't vex. Little bit of some, still better than none. Slowly but surely, one step at a time. To reach to the summit, fam, first you gotta climb. Future's much brighter than the past I left behind. Some things you have to lose in life, some you have to find. Still waters run deep, keeping up the upkeeps. Identifying treasure at the bottom of the heap. Only God is witnessing my heart when it weeps. Just a little sneak peek when this crocodile peeps. Being one with the master, one with the all. How you gonna get there if you're too afraid to fall? Similar to Joseph, similar to Paul. Just let go the baggage and the weight you had to haul. I don't care who's the realist, I know what a leech is. Try to make music motivational speeches.
Yeah. Good boy. It's a good boy. Yeah, man, I hear it, you know? Your birthday. Let me see. Oh.
Don't care who's the realist, I know what a leech is. Try to make music motivational speeches. Cling to the inner voice when you see it reaches. Just imagine if you listen to the lesson that it teaches. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Oh, I know Jaja won't let me down. No, when I walk in the footsteps, even when the challenges are blaze like sun. When life's stressed, still I know I can't vex.
Money what go on?
Well, go on, brother.
Yeah, bro, long time now. Yeah, so yeah, your brother run the back nice man, the uniform, everything.
Yeah, man, you know.
Business are going good, everybody are compliment and rate all the thing are flow and thing, you know. So
Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, go, man. You don't know the thing, go, man.
Yeah, you don't argue and just keep the thing afloat. If you don't argue, look like nobody don't know nothing like about them thing there.
You see, I'm a bigger brother, man, so here one now. I always try to put them in a one place to make them can establish them own thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Have them own stigma, them own name, you see me? So regardless of how the bridging them a pre say, oh, a brother look out for a brother's strength and this and that. I'm a brother, man, I have to give him a strength. I love him like that, you see me?
Definitely.
And from him show me say him a do the right thing, I always I go encourage him and support him. You see, man, when you come on to my brother, I'm not joke. You see me I say?
The chain strong, man. Yeah, man, my sister, the chain strong, sir. Nothing can break that. So,
man, you see me?
Same way, sir, I'm not joke.
Yeah, man, David, everything good, man. We just there right now, me there wait for a business transaction. You see what I say? Yeah, man, one brother for bring across one power saw. A couple trees we got chop down on a bush there, you know?
Yeah.
Brother I tell me say him have the ground covered, so I have to support him in everything. Like I say, if you tell me about a problem, I have to just try to assist you. You see me I say? I'm a job this. You see me I say? As a brother. You see me I say? Because me is a man, me all over the globe. You see me I say? So, go and do what you have to do, man. Now go and wait for the bridge. You not come. You see me? Alright.
Next time we have a more vibe.
Yeah.
Alright, my father.
Go on, brother. You say I hit this?
Yeah, it man.
Alright, that's enough money. Yeah. A long time I there wait for this, so I name David and then him there reads the button. I'm gonna make sure my brother get this. You see me?
Yeah, do it.
Alright, my brother. Brother.
No, yeah.
What's up,
I saw that.
Yeah, brother. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you know
I
what?
want something starting out, so y'all just kind y'all really better, man.
Yeah, man. Yo, I know I'm gonna see fire sparks, you know.
Mm-hmm. Where am I here?
Well, I'm to my little brother.
I know I'm here.
And I hear from him.
I don't time to hear from him.
John, him tell me to do something too, you know, so you see me, I say, I want to make sure all of my brother them good, you see me?
That man have to know too,
You
because
don't know, so that's how we deal with things.
last time I looked at the thing I'm going to see. I wonder if you already guys.
And you me learn from too, you know, so you don't know, me have to keep on looking out for my brother them, because brother thing me I deal with, you see?
Yeah, man. Straight
Yeah,
back,
man.
no.
Nothing else.
Yeah,
man. So you have who for help you? Cut down the tree, or are you alone that go do that?
Yeah, man, I've done well, man. I'm still got them, man, you know.
Alright. And you have everything covered, yeah? Everything covered.
Everything nice, man.
Alright, no say nothing. Hear what I do now. I go carry my son go get some food at KFC. You don't know film style. You see me? Because we got a river, we got a beach first, and they must say river, so I go carry him go to KFC.
I'm going to give you some chicken.
Right, so I give back a circle, yeah?
Yeah, man, you come.
Alright, no say nothing.
Big up yourself, man.
Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Oh, I know Jaja won't let me down. No, when I walk into the footsteps, when the challenges are placed, that's so big.
Yes, people, just watch the movie. I know wanna like it. Good concept. Yeah, man, just continue support the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know? One Money Ras TV. It only spell one spell, no space. Money Ras TV. Look out for the next one, people. Good storyline. I put in the work. That's why when I haven't seen me for a while. But now I'm back with brand new content, people. Support the channel. Like, share, subscribe continually. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One Money Ras. What is our number noise? I'm out.